we're going to be kicking off our subscription boxes, and the very first one we're going to be doing is Boxycharm for the month of March. So if you guys want to see everything that's going to be in this month's box, there might be some slight variations. We'll see what I get. Then just keep watching. So let's dive into the very first product. Now this here is the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I did apply this earlier before I did my makeup so I could do my eye makeup because I wanted to test it out for you guys. So I'll go ahead and insert a clip. I will say that I don't know if it's my nose is like all whacked out and stuff and I can't smell senses correctly, but I felt like the fragrance was just a little strong. Like it subsided as I put it on and it started to dry, like the smell went away. But when I first put it on, it was kind of like a bam. The other thing I noticed is that when you go to peel it off, it kind of tugs. Like it hurts just a little, not a lot, like a little tingling sensation. Like it really gets those baby hairs. It's not as bad as the one mask that was viral on Facebook and all over social media, that black one, but it's got a little bit of a tug to it. Some peel off masks that I've worked with before have more of like that gliding off effect, whereas this one kind of, you know, it'll take those baby hairs off, make you a little eyes water, just a slight bit. The next thing we're diving into is this box right here. This is the Moda Powder and Soft Glow Brush Duo. So here are the two brushes. This one I assume is more for highlighting, and then this one's going to be more for your powders, or you could even use it for your blush, but just be really soft and gentle with it. Next thing we're getting is the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. And it looks like this. You're going to get some really nice contour shade, a highlighter, brightener, a highlighter, a blush, and a finishing powder. I obviously did not do my face makeup because I wanted to try to use this on camera with you guys and test it out together. All right, so I just cleaned off my brush. I'm going to be using the Morphe R4. I did use this Equate brush cleaner, which is actually really good. I talked about it in my drugstore haul that I just did. And I really like it. It does leave them slightly slick, but I mean, for $6, that thing is a steal. Okay, so we're going to take the contour shade right here, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it. Oh my gosh, I left some of the mask on. It's peeling on my skin. Oh my gosh, you dummy. You know what I just realized? I didn't set my face. I always set my face with like a powder or something. I didn't set it. And I was using the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear today for my foundation. Love that stuff, you guys. Now that we've got that on, we're going to go ahead and apply blush. I think I'm just going to take this very same brush because I thought it was going to be a little bit more dense, but it's not. It's really soft and fluffy. Okay, that might be a little big. Okay, and then for highlight, we're going to go ahead and go in with the one in the center. That's really pretty, isn't that? I actually like that. This finishing powder, how am I supposed to use this? Can somebody down below tell me, please? Because I don't understand. I'm not going to use the finishing powder just because if it's supposed to go as highlight, it's not really doing anything. And if it's supposed to be like an all-over powder, it's got like little micro flecks of shimmer in it, and it definitely isn't going to work on my skin because I have texture, so I'm going to stay away from that. But overall, I'd say the palette is nice. I like it. It's good. The next item I have is the Manicadar Beauty Bloom Volumizing Mascara. So there's the one. It's a little bit different. I have 2 coats on my lower lashes, and it's fine. It's a bit of a drier formula, almost like too dry for me, but I don't feel like that's a good evaluation of the product just because I only used it on my lower lashes. I definitely need to use this on my top lashes. And the last thing we have is a Ofra Cosmetics liquid lipstick. This here is in the shade Monaco. I'm going to go ahead and apply some lip liner. So let's go ahead and apply this. I don't know how I'm going to apply it. Oh, let's see. I think I'm just going to apply it right in the center. I really don't want to use it all over the lips. I'm going to go ahead and just finish off my face, and then I will get back with you guys. So that is everything that we are getting in our Boxycharm this month. I would say that it's an okay box. It's not necessarily my favorite box that I've received from Boxycharm, but it's not bad. I would say the highlight of the month would definitely have to be the Cover FX palette. I could see myself actually using it. I do like the shades that are in there, and the stuff that we created using it actually works really well on my skin. If you guys want to know all the deets about Boxycharm, how it works and all that good stuff, you just look in the description description box down below. And if you guys are new to my channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I will see you guys all in my next video. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of this Saturday, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.